Okay, so this is the last example on streamlines. In this particular example, let's consider the following case. Example 3. Okay, this example, your velocity field is given by this equation. And the velocity field, we are saying, find the streamlines that happen at x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Okay, that's streamlines at that value. Before I start, again, your u is equal to x, your v is equal to x minus 1 times y plus 1. Okay, I know my equation, d of x u is equal to dy v. So from here, dx over x is equal to dy x minus 1 times y plus 1. So the whole idea, if it's possible, whenever it's possible, we want to put x's on one side and y's on the other. Now, in this particular case, it's quite easy because your x's can cancel out and your x actually goes on the top. Your x can go on this side. So your equation actually then can be written as x minus 1 d of x is equal to dy y plus 1. Okay. Now I take this equation and I can integrate on both sides as we have been doing. And you find that this side is equal to x squared minus x. This is over 2, sorry. This will be a constant in y because this you're integrating in respect to x. And this side will be natural log of y plus 1. This is a constant in x because you're integrating in y. So now the problem actually becomes to see how we can relate these constants, right? So what we're going to do is, what if I bring this constant here? Now my entire equation becomes x squared 2 minus x is equal to natural log y plus x, y plus 1, natural log of y plus 1 plus cx minus cy. Now, remember what I told you about the constant. Constants are constants, right? So how about we call this whole constant another constant, a big C? Then I can basically rewrite my whole equation as follows. X squared over 2 minus x is equal to natural log y plus 1 plus a constant c. Okay, now I need to find that constant because remember the problem told you that we want to solve everything at x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. That was the streamline that we were actually looking for. So if I plug these values in here, y squared over 2, 0 squared over 2, because this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, because x is 0, is equal to the natural log of 0 plus 1, because y is 0, plus c, okay? Then you can see that 0 is equal to natural log of 1 plus c, and the natural log of 1 is 0. So that means that c is equal to 0. That means that the equation that we are actually looking for is natural log of y plus 1, yes, is equal to x squared over 2 minus x. So that will be the equation that we are looking for. However, we want to solve for the variable y. How we can do that? Well, it's easy. Take parentheses and I elevate everything to the e power. So this becomes y plus 1 is equal to the eth power x squared 2 minus x. And then I could bring this y on this side of the equation. And then your equation, actually your streamline equation, and for the constant at x equal to 0, y equal to 0 is equal to this equation. Okay, and obviously you will get different values. You find different values as you find different constants. Okay, different constants give you different values. Okay, that's how you get a streamline of an equation. So this is a complete example number 3.